What if I told you your next viral video could flop? Not because of bad visuals, but because of bad audio. Yeah, crispy audio is the silent hero of great content. And DJI just dropped the Mic 3, their most advanced mini wireless system yet. In this video, I'm diving deep into what makes the DJI Mic 3 such a big upgrade, from dual noise cancellation to 32-bit float recording, and even a quad-channel audio setup that takes your production to the next level. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know whether this $329 mic system is worth upgrading, or if you should save your cash. Let's be real, bad audio kills good video fast. You can have 4K visuals and perfect lighting, but if the sound is thin or noisy, viewers tune out. That's where the DJI Mic 3 shines. It's made for YouTubers, podcasters, interviewers, and streamers who want professional wireless audio without the headaches. Running a two-person interview? Both mics stay clear and wireless. No tangled cables, no stress. And here's the smart part. Those tiny clip-on transmitters also record internally. So even if your wireless signal drops, your audio is safe. That kind of backup is a lifesaver when there are no second takes. Now let's talk about upgrades. The DJI Mic 3 brings 32-bit float recording. Basically, that's like having audio insurance. Even if someone yells right into the mic, you won't get ugly clipping. Later, in editing, you can pull back levels with no loss in quality. You also get 2-level noise cancellation. Level 1 handles low background hums like AC or fans. Level 2? It's designed for chaotic environments. Think city streets or crowded events, where it aggressively cuts out the noise so your voice stays front and center. And if you're picky about tone, there are 3 voice presets: regular, rich, and bright. So whether you're vlogging, podcasting, or live streaming, you can shape your sound on the fly. The receiver packs a 1.1-inch AMOLED touchscreen and a smooth dial for quick gain, tweaks, or battery checks. No endless menus. And here's the big one. Quadraphonic mode lets you record up to 4 audio tracks with select Sony cameras or software for ultimate post-production control. Plus, it supports 4 transmitters and can sync with 7 more receivers. Perfect for group interviews or multicam setups. Serious production power, pocket-sized. Wireless dropouts are the nightmare of every creator. DJI tackles this with dual-band wireless tech, hopping between 2.4 and 5.8 gigahertz for a super stable connection. And the range? Up to 1,312 feet. That's 4 football fields, more than enough for most shoots. Plus, it supports Bluetooth 5.4, so you can connect directly to DJI's latest Osmo gear or your smartphone without the receiver. Imagine running a mobile live stream with pro-level audio, no extra cables dangling around. Of course, power matters. Each unit has a built-in rechargeable battery, and with the charging case, you get up to 28 hours of runtime. That's basically an entire weekend shoot without hunting for outlets. The case is compact too. Throw it in your camera bag, and you're ready to record anytime. And with smart features like auto sleep and charge while recording, it's designed for creators who can't afford downtime. Is the DJI Mic 3 worth $329? For casual vloggers, maybe not. Cheaper mics will do. But if you want pro-level, hassle-free audio with float recording, noise cancellation, quad-channel output, and huge battery life, this thing is a beast. What do you think? Must-have upgrade or overkill? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for my next review.